Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Zoe. If you are new here, in today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right now. Definitely a perfect like fall night out on the town kind of makeup look. And I haven't done full glam in so long and I'm so obsessed with how this turned out. I think it is absolutely beautiful. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe before you leave, join our family. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. That will all be linked in the description below, along with all the products. So if you have any questions on any of the makeup products that I'm using, make sure you check the description box because most likely the information will be down there. Also, let me know down in the comments what kind of videos you guys want to see in the future. And before we jump into this video, I want to give a big shout out to Dossier, and they are sponsoring this video, so thank you so much to Dossier. Dossier is a perfume brand. If you haven't heard of them, you must be living under a rock because I have been seeing their stuff everywhere, all over social media, blowing up. But what they are is a perfume company. They are a French brand. So the card says, our mission is to deliver the highest quality, luxury-inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. Thank you for giving us a try. So that is really amazing. So I've got Gourmand White Flowers, and this is inspired by Viktor and Rolf's Flower Bomb, and it literally smells identical to it, and it was a fraction of the price. So the perfumes start at $29 and they go up to $49, but literally nothing more expensive than $49. And they are having their Black Friday sale going on right now. So if you order before the end of the month, you can get an additional discount, and you can still use my coupon code, which is Zoe10. It'll be on the screen and down in the description. So yeah, I got this one and literally smells exactly like Flower Bomb. It is such a pretty florally sweet scent. I love floral scents, but I only love them when they have a very strong either vanilla or amber background to them. And when I wear this, it lasts so long. I would say it lasts between like 6 to 8 hours, which is pretty good for a $29 perfume. Like, that's pretty dang good. And I absolutely love it. The notes in this one say, the top notes are bergamot, green tea, freesia, berries. The middle notes are white flowers and orchid and rose. And the base notes are musk, patchouli, caramel, and vanilla. So that's where I'm getting the sweetness from, is in the base notes. And I love, love, love that. It smells so good. It's the perfect daytime scent. I love wearing it in the daytime. So the other perfume that I got is actually a unisex perfume, and it is Ambery Saffron. And this perfume is inspired by Baccarat Rouge 540. If you've ever smelled it, it is a stunning perfume. It is inexpensive, super expensive perfume. This is a great dupe for it. I would say the lasting power obviously isn't as long as that one because it's hundreds of dollars, hundreds with an S of dollars. And the great thing about Ambery Saffron is actually it is a unisex perfume. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, Ariana Grande's Cloud perfume is also a dupe for Baccarat Rouge, but that perfume smells very, very, very sweet and very like candy-like in my opinion. This one is a bit spicier than that and wears well as a unisex perfume slash cologne. My husband actually wears this daily since I've gotten it. Literally since I have gotten this package, my husband has been wearing this daily nonstop. And when he wears it, it smells a lot spicier than it does on me. It pulls a lot sweeter on me, and then on him, like, the spices really come out. The top notes are saffron, orange blossom. The middle notes are jasmine, plum, and cedarwood. And then the base notes are oak moss, fir, balsam, and amber. It's just such a dreamy, sexy scent. This is a perfect night out scent if you're gonna wear it as a perfume. It's spicy, but it's sweet and it's warm, and it's definitely something you would want to wear on a date night out. Thank you again to Dossier for sponsoring this video. I really, really do enjoy these perfumes so much. These are my go-to right now, and I absolutely love them, and my husband loves them, which is awesome because we can both wear the same scent without smelling the exact same. It's crazy. But yeah, so thank you again to Dossier, and we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video. Okay, so I did my brows off camera, and I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Alright, so I'm just putting some concealer. I'm gonna do one eye on camera, one eye off, but I'm gonna put some concealer down as a base. I didn't realize my mic wasn't on. But all I did was take this shade right here from the Albar Cosmetics palette. It's called Muy Excited, and I packed this on in the general area that I want it to be laid down. I didn't blend it, nothing crazy, just packed on the color. Now I'm going to take a clean blending brush and just kind of start buffing it out. And I may just pick up like a little bit of product here and there and pack it on or use it to help me blend out, but mostly this brush is clean and I'm just going in back and forth motions. Okay, so now when it's like mostly blown out, I am going to take just a tiny bit of Horizon from the Ace Beauty palette. It's a really bright orange, so I'm not going to go in with a whole bunch. I just want to brighten this orange up just the tiniest bit. And I'm just going to take that right on top to kind of make the orange a little bit more vibrant, because this is kind of going to be hidden behind all of the browns that I'm going to use. Very lightly right on top using the same motions. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with Horizon from the Ace Beauty palette. It's this medium tone brown, and I'm going to pack this on starting at the center of my lid and going outward. And again, I'm not blending it or anything, I'm just packing the color where I want it, and then we will focus on blending it out. Okay, and then I'm going to take that same brush that I used to blend out the oranges, and I'm going to start blending out that brown with no additional product on my brush again. The brush is pretty much clean. Alright, now I'm going to take the darkest brown from that palette, and I'm going to pack this on the outer corner of the eye. I'm going to do like a half cut crease here on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm going to just take a concealer to do that. You can also do it with makeup remover. You can do it with a eyeshadow primer. I'm going to make sure I'm looking straight because my eyes are hooded. I do need this to be above my crease. So I'm going to make sure I'm looking straight ahead so I can make this above my crease. Okay, I'm going to go in with this shade right here from the Norvina palette from ABH. And it's just this really gorgeous chocolatey metallic brown. I'm going to put this where we lay down the concealer. Okay, so I'm going to do this eye off camera really quickly, and then I'll be right back. We aren't done with the eyes. I am going to add a pop of something, but I need to do my face first. So I'm going to go ahead and do this eye off camera, and then I will be right back. Okay, so both my eyes are done. I don't know if it's my dermatitis that's making my eyeshadow be patchy or if it was the eyeshadow, but I don't know. I'm gonna go through my face routine really fast because I have a very detailed video about my face routine on my channel already. So if you want to see it, I will leave a link to it down in the description box. I did just prime, and I used my No Problem Prime Essence from Touch and Soul. And I'm going to conceal all of my dark spots that need a little bit of help covering for that, and I'm just going to kind of tap these out to blend them out just a tiny bit. I don't want to blend away the coverage, so I'm just tapping like over them. I'm going to use the Kat Von D Good Apple foundation. Yeah, I love this foundation. It's beautiful. I haven't worn it in a hot minute, so I am excited to like remember why I fell in love with it. But yeah, I'm just going to go in with a brush like this. This is the Luxie 512 Small Contouring Brush, but I love this for foundation. It's my go-to foundation brush right now, and I'm just going to start tapping the foundation in. And like the coverage of this foundation is outstanding. I think this is a great foundation if you have dry skin for the winter months because it is very, very hydrating. Coverage is amazing. I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. Okay, I'm going to also go in with the Patrick Ta. I'm going to let this sit for a second, and I'm going to do this pretty quickly, but I'm going to go through with the Patrick Ta Face Palette for Face Palette, I think it's called. It's like cream contour and then like bronzer. I'm pretty sure the shade is called She's Sculpted. But yeah, I'm just going to take the cream. This is where I want it. So we did that nice and quick. I'm going to go back in with that concealer brush and start blending out the concealer. You can use a sponge for this if you'd like. Alright, and I'm just going to set everything, not everything, I'm going to set my concealer. And I might lightly set my face. Actually, yeah, I think I'm going to lightly set my face with this setting powder. And I'm using the Dermablend Loose Original Setting Powder. I love the setting powder because I do have dry skin, and this setting powder is not very drying, so it doesn't make my makeup look cakey at all. I'm going to set my face with some setting spray. I'm using the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. Okay, and then I'm going to contour with the powder side of this palette. I don't want this to be a harsh contour. I like my face not to be so harshly contoured anymore. I am past that in my life. Does anybody else's hair and baby hairs just get all over their face when they're doing their makeup? Because mine do, and it drives me literally insane. For blush, I'm going to go in with an oldie but a goodie. This is Milani's Luminoso. I'm going to keep this towards the back of my cheeks mainly, and kind of around my eyes as well. And then kind of drag it down. I'm going to highlight my nose and I'm going to highlight my cheekbones and the rest of my face, but I'm going to be very subtle about it. I don't really like an overly highlighted look anymore. I just like something a little bit more natural. It just makes you look a little dewy, sun-kissed, you know. Okay, I need to do my under eyes. I'm going to basically do everything that I did on my crease down underneath my eye. Okay, so I'm going to take this orange shade right here from the Spanglish palette, and I'm going to put this in my inner corner. I'm hoping that it takes this to like the next level. I don't know what happened right here. Why is that dragged down so much? I can see it on camera, but I can't really see it in person. I don't know. I'm gonna go in with the My Lash But Better lashes, and these are in the style So Real. And I'm gonna show you the easiest way in the world to put on lashes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my lash glue. I use the Duo Lash Glue. This is the green one, and it is the one with a brush or whatever. I'm going to brush this on my lash line as if it were liquid liner and I was doing like a wing liner. And you don't have to wait for it to dry down or anything. You can just take your lash immediately, or you can wait a few seconds. It doesn't really dry down when it's on your lid. Okay, and then you just set it on top of the glue, and it's so easy. And it's literally pretty foolproof. It's so easy, and that's it. Super duper easy. I'm gonna take this darker lip liner, which is KKW Nude 2 lip liner, and I'm going to just overline my Cupid's bow in the center of my lips with this pencil, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit of a lighter pencil and then do the rest of my lips. I'm going with the KKW same thing Nude 2 lipstick. Yeah, this is a finished makeup look. Let me zoom you guys out a little bit. I love it. Very fall, very smoky, vampy. Like, you could definitely take this up a notch by adding a dark lip, and it would be like such a pretty night out makeup look. The colors in person are super vibrant and very like metallic and shiny. I love how this turned out. As much as I struggled doing it because I haven't done my makeup in so incredibly long, I still loved it. I feel very pretty right now. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is it for this makeup look and this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I also want to say thank you again to Dossier for sponsoring this video. I am absolutely obsessed with the scents that I got. The perfumes are absolutely amazing. They are having a Black Friday sale this month, so make sure you check that out. You don't want to miss out on even lower prices, which is awesome. So again, thank you to Dossier for sponsoring this video. If there is anything else you guys want to see from me, let me know down in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!